Blogging sounds like an easy way to earn money, right? Well, it's not. Understanding how to make money from blogging comes with a lot of preparation, consistent hard work, and of course a bit of luck. You must acknowledge already in the beginning that it won't happen within a few days that your blog starts to earn money for you, as your audience won't show up immediately. Fortunately, there are still opportunities in the world of blogging if you already decided that you would like to earn money with this way. However, you need to know that you need to have already from the beginning a solid strategy which can help you to succeed. For this reason, in this video I would like to present you a comprehensive step-by-step guide which also helped me to establish a successful blog and earn money with it. Let's waste no more time and see the steps. Step 1. Set up your blog. Getting started with your blog might be difficult, especially when you don't have the necessary tech skills. At this point you didn't even write a single letter, however you already need to make an important decision, and it is: would you like to establish your blog through a blogging platform, or you would like to set up your blog through your own website? Let me help you out quickly. I highly recommend you to set up your own website if you would like to earn money with your blog and you also think about on a long-term horizon. Certainly creating a blog through well-known platforms like WordPress or Blogger might be super easy in the beginning, however later it can limit your income possibilities. So what kind of possible drawbacks will you face if you decide that you would like to create your blog through the mentioned blogging platforms? First, you will have limited URL and domain options. Secondly, you might face with storage limit. And lastly, you might not be able to place affiliate links to your blog, but let me explain this a little bit later. Certainly, if the mentioned disadvantages won't bother you, feel free to create your blog through the mentioned platforms, as it only takes a couple of minutes and zero skills. Now let's talk about why I suggest you to create your blog through your own website. Here are the advantages. With your own website, it comes with full customization. Secondly, you can pick a catchy domain name for your site. Thirdly, it will support your long-term goals way better. And lastly, it will also be more advantageous for your own branding. If you decide that you would like to establish your blog this way, you need to know already from the beginning that you have to pay for the domain and also for the hosting of your website. Moreover, if you are not a tech navy, you might need to hire somebody who can establish your blog the way as you imagined. If you take my advice, you don't try to save money on this part, otherwise it will have irreversible consequences in the future. Step 2. Decide the topic. Listen very carefully right now, because the following will be very important. If you can find the topic, but you can't write for even years later, then you won't be able to find the answer for how to make money from blogging. I hope you got the message, because everything will depend on your choice. If you pick a topic which only can grab your interest for a short time, like for a couple of months, you might give up on writing very soon. On the other hand, you need to make sure that you pick up a topic which is not fully crowded already. This is another common mistake that beginners make. Sadly, most of the people who try to write a blog don't do any preparation at all. They think that they can establish with an ease another excellent fashion or traveling blog, but this is not how things work. At this step you will have only one single task. Find the perfect niche where your passion and interest meets with the low competition keywords. You need to look for a topic which can attract a decent amount of viewers for your blog, because of course it will be needed if you would like to generate enough money with it. Secondly, it won't be a mission impossible to break into the mentioned niche, so you need to look for low competition keywords and topics. And lastly, you are highly passionate about the topic that you would like to write, and you can imagine yourself to do this even years later. Trust me, it won't be an easy task, and you must be patient to find the perfect choice for yourself. Now you can ask, how did I do this? In the beginning, I started to learn what people like to look for in Google, and I also examined my own behavior. Personally, I like to look for product reviews before I make any purchase to make sure that I get the best quality for my money. That was my first very handy idea in the beginning, and I also established a blog where I could write about product reviews, However, I also dropped this idea within a few months. I have realized that I am not a big fan of shopping and I won't be able to write countless product reviews about products that I don't like or I don't use. I am a simple guy and I only buy things what is necessary, and that's all. After the mentioned realization, I just simply dropped this idea. In one of my previous videos, I have explained how my productive mindset resulted health concerns on my body. In this period of my life, I spent countless hours on the internet and tried to diagnose myself with the symptoms that I have experienced. A few months later, this came into my mind once again, and I realized that this might be a good topic for my blog, as it meets all the criteria that I have set up previously. First of all, I like to read about medical topics because I am amazed by the human body and how many things we can experience individually. Secondly, in my close environment, nearly all of us did the same when we have experienced different health concerns. So I thought this topic might attract enough people to generate money with my blog. Lastly, I knew exactly that I cannot write about common health problems because they are already crowded, like flu or headache. So I need to dig deeper and specify all the health problems into subcategories. The more I specified a symptom or a health problem, the better results I got regarding the competition in Google. And this is how I was able to find my own blog idea. However, you don't need to follow my logic. You can get ideas from various places like Google Trends, get inspiration from your own passion, look for other well-known blogs, or you can simply read on Reddit or Quora or different forums. To wrap up this tip, it is essential to pick the best topic for your blog, which meets all the criteria that I have shared with you right now. Maybe you won't find this topic immediately, however, it's worth to spend even days with the preparation before your final decision. Step 3. Establish your audience. Certainly, the previously shared 2 steps won't be enough to find the answer for how to make money from blogging. It doesn't matter how fancy your blog is or how breathtaking posts are you writing if people won't find your blog. For this reason, you need to get your potential readers' attention. They are already reading plenty of amazing blogs, so you need to step ahead and convince them that you can be their next choice and your blog is even better than anyone's else. Now let's see a few effective ways which can help you to build your own audience for your blog. Write Google audience-friendly posts. One of the best feelings is when you see that your article is placed on the top of the first page of Google. Even a single post with great position in Google can generate more traffic for your blog than rest of your articles. And money, of course. Therefore, you always need to pay attention to write articles which completely meets the already known factors for search engine optimization. Right now, I don't want to get into the details, but I highly suggest you to read about terms like low competition keywords, how to insert pictures to your blog posts, how to create internal links, and so on. All in all, you need to understand how your blog posts can be Google and audience friendly at the same time. Furthermore, you can also learn about how to write catchy titles for your posts. No matter how fascinating your post is, if the title itself won't convince the potential readers to click on it. Generally speaking, pay attention to all the single details which might help your posts to rank up in the Google way better. Sadly, we don't know exactly how Google algorithm works. However, there are already known factors discovered by different online marketers which can affect your ranking possibilities, so feel free to utilize them. Be active on social media. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of these social media platforms can help you to gain some new audience for your blog. You can write posts under different news which are related to your blog, or you can join to separate groups where you can discuss with people what you like to write about. Moreover, you can create your own profile on these platforms and share your blog posts. In this case, you will work parallel to build up your social media presence but also your blog audience. One comes from another and it can free up amazing synergy powers. Connect with bloggers, influencers, and YouTubers. It's not a shame to learn from your competitors, or even more, ask them to promote your content. You can write to all of your topic-related bloggers, influencers and YouTubers and ask them to place or mention your blog into their content. Maybe some of them will help you for free, maybe some of them will ask for a certain amount of money for their support. However, in the end, you can decide which blogger or influencer can help you the most. Right now, I have only mentioned a few ideas which can help you to gain audience for your blog, but you can be more creative and you can also look for further opportunities where you can promote your content. Of course, it won't be a quick and easy ride, therefore you need to stay consistent and do it until you will become well known on the market. Step 4. Make money from your blog. Once you achieve a large number of audience for your blog, you finally will be able to find the answer for how to make money from blogging. It was a crazy ride, there were ups and downs. You might feel that you wanted to give up, or you will never achieve your final goal. However, you did it in the end. This step will present you all the opportunities as the rewards which can help you to make money with your blog. Let's see the possibilities. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is one of the best ways to earn money with your blog. Simply, you just need to register an account on Google AdSense and their team will review your blog. Within a few days, they will examine your traffic, your content type, and of course they will evaluate if you can get the green light for the mentioned commercials. The best thing is that you can get paid on two different fronts if you can apply for Google AdSense. First of all, they will pay you a small amount of money anytime when someone from your blog sees their advertisements, and secondly, you can get paid after your readers click on their commercials. For sure, the second option pays much more. The amount what you can earn by Google AdSense will be highly dependent on your audience and also your content. Financial blogs tend to earn more money as there are more advertisers who are willing to pay for Google. On the other hand, different niche like fashion might pay you less, but you can get more traffic to your site. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing provides another excellent opportunity if you would like to earn money with your blog. In this case, you can place tracked affiliate links into your posts and you can get commission after your readers click on these links and they purchase something from your supplier's site. In this case, your blog works like a salesman as it attracted new potential customers for the mentioned supplier site. All in all, if you write in the right niche, affiliate marketing can even overperform Google AdSense and earn much more money for you. Write guest blog posts. Occasionally, depending on your content, separate companies can reach you to write or post an article about their product or services. Sometimes they will send you a previously revised script what they would like to see on your blog. In other cases, they will ask you to write an article by your own. Anyway, one thing is sure, you will get paid in the end. Sell your own products. Personally, this is my favorite way to earn more money with my blog. In this case, don't be afraid to create your own branded products or buy business-related products and services and resell them for your audience. Back to my health-related blog, after a couple of requests from our readers, we decided to create a store where we can sell medical devices and beauty products for our customers. Gladly, many of our already existing blog readers gave a chance for our web store, and the results were even higher than we could imagine in the beginning. People loved our products. Furthermore, they suggested even more products that we should place to our web store. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and by the end of this I can say that earning money from blogging might be difficult in the beginning. However, it is still not a mission impossible if you know what you need to do and how you can do the right preparation. With the right preparation and consistency and the well-selected topic, it can be an excellent way to spend your free time and earn money. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, share your thoughts, and see you next week.